Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, to fellow members of Vintage Test Equipment on Facebook. This is my Hickok 752A tube tester that I refurbished. I recapped it, replaced the bad resistors, and used Corrosion X to clean the switches, and now everything. I also replaced one of the tubes in this tester. I replaced the 5Y3 tube, and so now everything works perfectly fine. I have a 12AU7 tube in there, but I'll just show you. Let's see. Let's hit. It's on, and we can hit the line adjust. There you go. And I can turn it just a little bit. There you go. Okay, so that's right on. And I can test it. S5. And 675 is the minimum. There you go. And I can test plate 2 as well, S5 and plate 2. And other tests you can do on this. I've done a series of the different tests on this instrument, actually on this tube, and including the short test, the gas test, as well as the life test. And I'm about to upload those videos onto YouTube. Of course, I did the initial line adjustment test, and everything works perfectly well, as it should on this tube tester. Now I have another one in my organ room right here. Turn on the light and let you see it. So here's another one that I'm going to refurbish as well. So I haven't even connected this, and I haven't hooked it up to see what it's like. But more than likely, I'll be taking it apart and recapping, replacing the bad resistors in it, just as I did my other one in there. So this is also 752A. I believe this is a older model than the one that I have here. This is a later model, 752A. And then I also have a couple of 752s, but I'll just probably sell those and let somebody else refurbish those. Anyway, that's it. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Please have a peaceful and wonderful day. Goodbye.